Hey guys and girls, my name's Dan, welcome back to the Forge. In today's episode of Trust Me I'm a Blacksmith, we're going to be forging this little wrought iron Viking style hammer. It came out pretty good. It's not mega accurate, but we had a few problems with the welds after the heat treat, so I also made this little bad boy. At some point I'm going to try and give this one away. I might give this one away. I'm not quite happy with people using it if it's not perfect. Anyway, watch the video and I'll see you at the end. If you want to find more out about this hammer, I'll tell you about it at the end. Yeah. Little one. Yeah. 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 Yep. 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 Little one. Little one. enjoyed making this little hammer with Matt. Unfortunately, which is really irritating, the faces on both ends have cracked on one side, which is really, really annoying. And that means I'm not confident enough to let someone else use it now. I had a plan of either giving it away or raffling it or selling it in some way, shape or form. You know, using it to promote the channel. Unfortunately, I can't do that now because I'm not confident enough to give it away. So what I am going to do is I am going to make another little hammer using some forklift truck time. This is forklift truck time that you can get on Etsy, link in the description. But I'm going to also do a how to make video, but I'm not going to include that video in this one. There'll be a link in the description for you to watch the whole how to make video. And then, so even though I'm hitting it twice, I'm taking it out every time, looking in that hammerite, and just making sure I'm keeping that moving. Isolating the material in front of and behind the hammerite. Okay, hopefully you enjoyed the video. I really enjoyed making this. Hopefully you've enjoyed seeing me make it as well. And like I said, there is the full video for how to make this one in the link in the description. Now, I'm going to raffle this little hammer off. I'm not sure if I'm going to put this in the raffle just yet. And then just before Christmas, I'll do a live where I'll announce the winner of that raffle. Now, if you want to get a raffle ticket to win this, you'll have to watch the other video of me making this to find out how to get the raffle ticket, and I'll tell you how to win this in that video. These turned out great, really happy with these, real good learning experience doing the fire welding for this. I'm not a great fire welder, but I really enjoyed putting it together, and it came out lovely. I'm quite keen to keep this, mate. Anyway, I don't know, we'll see. But this one as well was great fun, and showing the making process for this came out really nicely too. So if you do want to see that video, again, it's in the link in the description, step by step, full on how to make this by hand in your workshops at home. Hey Jax, come here, come on. Oh, he's a good boy, who's a good boy, who's a good boy. I can't see you on the camera, I need to move back a bit. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, remember to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you are a subscriber, please ring that bell for notifications because it'll tell you every time I make videos. I make videos as often as possible. I'm really trying super hard to get one out a week every Sunday for as long as possible up until Christmas. I also said I was going to be doing a live very soon. We're going to stick some stuff under the power hammer for Christmas. Some of you guys and girls really enjoy that. We really enjoy that as well. See if we can make it as messy as we did last year. And also I'll be announcing the winner of the raffle for the hammer. I'll throw a few more goodies in with the hammer. There'll definitely be a t-shirt in there and some key rings. And there might be a few extra lovely bits and bobs. I might chuck some stock in, and I'll have a second and third prize as well. So go and check out those raffle tickets on the Etsy. Or just go and check the Etsy out for tools, hammers, tongs, punches. T-shirts will be up there at some point, new t-shirts, all sorts of really cool stuff. So if you're interested in any of that as well, please go and check that out. My Instagram as well, there's a link down in the description to the Instagram and my website. Go and check those out. There's just more information, more content. I post as often as possible as I can on the Etsy so I can give you guys and girls at home lots of interesting stuff about all the other things that are going on in my life and the workshop. That is everything. Thank you for joining me. I will see you guys and girls next time. I'll leave a link down here to a video that YouTube thinks that you should watch. This is a video of me making a different type of hammer. There's another link down here to another video, and that's the subscribe button. See you later. Bye bye.